Welcome everybody. Today we're gonna talk about the debt to equity ratio. It is a ratio used to measure the amount of debt used to finance a company's assets compared to the equity. This ratio is calculated by dividing the total debt by the total shareholders' equity. Let's have a look on concrete examples. Here are the numbers for Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat at the end of 2017. You can see that the ratio is 0.35 for Twitter. This means that for each dollar of equity held by Twitter, it also holds $0.35 of debt. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, to like, and to share it if you like it, and to subscribe also to the channel. I will put the link for this Excel in the comment below.